Hey, it's Scott Young here. If you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on the best way to grow your TikTok account. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact 10 steps you need to take to grow your TikTok account. Now, as with any social media platform, figuring out how the platform's algorithm works is critical to success. And while TikTok isn't going to come right out and tell you how the algorithm works, through experimentation, trial and error, some smart creators have figured out what works on TikTok. And what I'm about to share with you is what I and many other creators are doing right now to drive tons of views on our videos and to build a huge following with TikTok. Now, before we jump into it, I want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money online right now, and it actually works amazingly well on TikTok. So I'll drop a link below this video in the description if you want to check it out. Now, I'm going to cover 10 steps that will virtually guarantee to grow your TikTok account. So let's jump into it. #1 is commit to posting 3 to 4 videos per day consistently. Honestly, nobody really knows the secret algorithm that TikTok uses and how much you really need to post, but most successful creators have found the sweet spot at around 3 to 4 videos per day. And of all the steps I'm going to share with you here, this one is the most critical. Consistent posting feeds the TikTok algorithm and it will reward you. #2, entertain and provide value, but don't directly sell. People come to TikTok to be entertained first and foremost. And if you entertain and provide value, the sales from monetizing will follow. #3, make sure you don't use a business account because business accounts are commercial and you won't be able to use trending sounds. And trending sounds are a big key to going viral, and going viral is a big key to success on TikTok. It's tempting to switch to a business account though, because you can immediately put a link in your bio, and pointing users to the link in your bio is the primary way for creators to send users to the products that they're promoting. But you'll find much more success with using trending sounds and quickly building to 1,000 followers. Now, once you get to 1,000 followers, TikTok unlocks the ability for you to put a link in your bio. #4, use trending sounds. The algorithm loves songs and sounds that are popular. And if you use trending sounds, this is going to increase the likelihood of your video going viral. And if you can get one of your videos to go viral, you'll find that the number of followers you have will explode and the account growth momentum is unstoppable at that point. #5 is find trending videos and either copy what they're doing, model what they're doing, or tweak what they're doing. So let's say you found a viral video where the person was sharing some awesome secret website or tool that helped their business. You can make a video exactly like that where you're sharing that secret tool, you're sharing that same secret website. And because the previous video went viral, there's a better chance that your video will get in front of more people than it otherwise would. #6, focus on a niche and stick to it. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche, right? Don't cross over into the business opportunity niche and make videos about that too. Success comes from sticking to one niche. Otherwise, it confuses your followers and the TikTok algorithm. The exception is if you want to start another account on TikTok, then you can focus on a separate niche with the other account. #7, don't be afraid to be yourself. TikTok is all about raw authenticity. #8, use a call to action. This seems pretty obvious to use a call to action, but many creators do not do it. But a key factor in getting TikTok to show your videos to more viewers is how many people are liking and sharing your videos and how many people follow you after watching your video. So ask people to take action and like your video, or tell them to follow you for more videos like the one that they're watching. You'll be surprised how many people actually do that. #9 is direct users to other social media accounts that you have so you can leverage your success on TikTok into other platforms. And #10, don't give up. Normally it takes 3 to 6 months of feeding the TikTok algorithm before you get the momentum to really drive a lot of views, follows, and likes. If you put these 10 steps into action and give it some time, you'll soon see your view, like, and follow count exponentially grow. I hope this makes sense. I hope this is clicking with you. TikTok is new and can seem overwhelming, but if you follow these 10 steps, you'll grow your TikTok account very quickly. Now, if you want to monetize and make money with TikTok as your account grows, then I want to recommend to you a training and mentorship program from a team that has actually helped thousands of people generate six-figure incomes online, many of them on TikTok. You won't regret checking out this site because it's the exact blueprint that people are using right now every day to generate $10,000 per month income and more online. You can click the link in the description below this video to see it. No pressure, it's totally up to you. Take care.